Hello, everybody. I've been looking over the questionnaire that I sent out this morning, and I'm seeing that several of you have either you don't know how to download Creative Cloud, or you think there is a price tag involved. There is not, because you are in my class. Creative Cloud, all the Adobe products are absolutely free for you. All you have to do is go in and download them. Um, This doesn't work. Most of these apps are not going to work on your smartphone. However, some of them will work on a tablet, and I'll show you that in just a second. So the first thing we need to do to download Adobe products is we're going to just do a search for Adobe Creative Cloud. Okay, I'm going to search for Creative Cloud, and here it is. And once I do that, you'll see that I have several options here. I can buy it, or I can start my free trial. I don't want to do either of those things. I'm going to come over here and click on sign in. After I click on sign in, I can put my email here, or I can just click continue with Google. And here I can select the account I want to use and enterprise ID. And so now here we are where it says, welcome back. I know that this is my account, and I'm going to click on this Creative Cloud service right here to open this up. Okay, so from here, what I recommend you do is install Creative Cloud. Install the Creative Cloud app right here. I already have it on mine. It's down here in my taskbar right here. So I'm not going to download it. But you can also just look through here, and here are my apps. So here's Photoshop, and you can see it's available for a desktop and a tablet. Okay, if you click here, it'll download it for you. Same with Acrobat, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, InDesign. And if I go to all your apps, it will show you all the apps that you can download for free. And you'll notice that it's free. If it wasn't, it would have a price tag by it. Okay. So the one thing that you want to be careful about is storing your information on the cloud with them. For some reason right here it says I've used a little bit of their storage. I've used 605 kilobytes. We're not supposed to use any of that because that does cost the district money. And they go in, the district goes in occasionally and just wipes that all out because they don't want to get charged for it. So do not, I repeat, do not store anything on the Creative Cloud storage, okay? But other than that, guys, it's free. It's there. It's available for you to use at home. Strongly recommend you get it. All right, that'll do it for this video. We look forward to seeing you guys again, hopefully real soon.